Hello everyone, I'm Vichara Basing. Today I'm going to explain about databases, MS Access. I'll explain how to create a form and what are the details included in a form. In the other episodes, I'll explain how to create a query and how to create a report and how to work with relationships as well. This is important for the upcoming examination students and the other friends who need this particular work. This is my database. It mentioned on top it's a holiday. There are three tables appear on the left side corner. I'm going to select the necessary table which is need to create a form. I double click the guest table and I can see the details of guest and number of records. First, I'm going to take the cursor to create, then go to forms group and click on the form. So this is the form in Access according to the table selected. If I want to do some changes in this table, I have to go to the design view. There are various ways you can go to the design view. I'll show you one of the easy method. Give a right click on top of this guest form, go to design view. There's an additional table, the booking table is given. That's because of the relationship. I'm going to delete this table. Just click on that, press the delete button. I'm going to change the name as guest data entry form. Just click on the text box, type as guest data entry form. I'm going to add a label to the form. Go to form design. There are some controls. The third option or third tool in controls is a label. I'm going to add here my name. The reason why I select the label, it won't affect the form to enter data or as a text box. Just click outside. I'm going to add a couple of buttons. The fourth option is the button. Draw it. You can see there's a button wizard window. Select record navigation. Go to next record. Click next. We can see the preview. Go to next. Finish. I'm going to add another button. Same record navigation. Go to previous. Next. Next. Finish. Make sure buttons you have to align properly, otherwise the layout is not arranged properly. Another button to add a record operation. Select the second category and I'm going to select Save Record. Next, next, finish. I'm going to add another button, another record operation, add a new record, next, next, finish. Again, I'm going to align it properly, otherwise the layout is not clean or clear. I'm going to change the title, color, go to home, go to text color and change that as white. I'm going to change the title background color, give right click on top of the text box, go to color and change the color to a dark color. You can see the text box color and the text color. I'm going to resize the title. If I want to change the size of the font, I can make some changes. I'm going to add a label. Go to form design again. In the controls, click the drop down list. Select the image button. From the last, the third one, draw it here. Then it will open the window. Select picture. I'm going to select this logo. The next one is I want to change the gap between the labels and text boxes. This is we call padding. Highlight the labels and the text boxes by take the cursor and select everything together like this. Select properties in the form design. Go to left padding, type here 2 centimeters. Press enter. You can see there's a gap between the fields and the text boxes. Click outside. I want to change the guest ID, the text box size into 2 centimeters. Only that particular text box. So before that, we have to remove the layout because everything stacked together. Highlight again, go to arrange ribbon, remove layout, click outside, click guest ID, go to properties, select width, type 3 cm, press enter. I hope you can understand and you got how to create a form, and we did some changes. Add a label, title, logo, change the gap between the field names and text boxes, buttons, and the logo. These are the main changes you have to do in a database forms. I'll show you how you can see this database in the form view. Give a right click again in the guest form. Just click form view. This is the original view. How you can see, we can navigate the records, and if you want, we can add a new record as well using this add record button. All the fields going to be blank. We can enter whatever record we want and we can enter to the table. I hope this is important for y'all. Share this video with your friends. I'm going to upload another video about Access. Thank you.